Sunday. Fun day. I know. Going somewhere fun, which I'll show you. It's that time of year. I'm so excited. We're going to see somebody we haven't get to see in a long time. Oh, cute. I'm excited. This is what I look forward to now, stuff like this. So, touch base with you when we get there. Bye. We're at the car show. Seen way too many people I know. But, let's take a gander at what we got here. Oh yeah. Videotaping everybody. There are lots of people everywhere. Let's see the truck. Oh yeah. I like the cars on the other side. We'll go see them. What? I know, right? Only us. Only us does this happen to.
Yeah, you use it, but I mean,
I still can't believe how many people I saw from like work. I don't know if it's because it's like right on the block. See, I like the older Mustangs. That one's much nicer. Huh? See, the older ones are just much nicer.
well, I think the guy that does that, the guy who owns it.
See, I like the trucks. That Brian Woods. Should I videotape them? Here with Brian. See, I want the big truck.
That's the larger 3X.